Korean egg roll or Korean rolled omelet in Korean is 계란말이. 계란 means egg, and mari refers to the status of being rolled up. It is one of a simple savory side dish in Korea. It looks pretty and compact to have for school lunchbox. It depends on what kind of ingredient you prefer to add in. Simply, it is made with beaten eggs mixed with several finely diced ingredients. Here is the recipe for Korean rolled omelette. Prepare 5 eggs, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon finely chopped carrot, and then 3 tablespoons pollack roll, but you can just add salt instead, or cheese is another option too. Are you ready to cook with me?